Bio, the diverse root. In the vibrant world of biology, a young scientist named Sam embarked on an extraordinary journey. Armed with his knowledge of biochemistry and fueled by his passion for the natural world, he set out to explore the vast biosphere. Equipped with cutting-edge biotechnology tools, Sam ventured into uncharted territories. He marveled at the bioluminescence emanating from deep-sea creatures, casting a mesmerizing glow on the ocean's depths. Inspired by this enchanting display, he became determined to understand the mechanisms behind this captivating phenomenon. During his expedition, Sam encountered a group of indigenous people living in harmony with the rich biodiversity of their surroundings. Fascinated by their sustainable practices, he engaged in deep conversations, uncovering their wisdom about the interconnections within the biosphere. Intrigued by their insights, Sam conducted biopsies on various plant species, seeking to unravel the secrets hidden within their cells. Through the lens of his microscope, he discovered intricate cellular structures and biochemical processes that fueled the thriving ecosystem. As he delved deeper, Sam came across a biohazard, a poisonous snake, while traversing through dense vegetation. Remembering his training, he carefully observed the snake's behavior, appreciating its role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem, before continuing his journey unharmed. Back in his laboratory, Sam utilized bioinformatics to analyze the vast amount of data collected during his expedition. Patterns emerged, shedding light on the intricate relationships between species and the importance of biodiversity for the planet's well-being. Motivated by his discoveries, Sam set out to develop biodegradable materials that could replace harmful plastics. Drawing inspiration from the resilience of natural substances, he sought to contribute to a greener future by reducing environmental waste. As his reputation in the field of biology grew, Sam was invited to share his expertise on biometric identification systems. He demonstrated how unique physical characteristics could be used to track endangered species, aiding in their conservation and protection. Throughout his journey, Sam remained mindful of bioethics, considering the ethical implications of his work. He actively engaged in dialogues with fellow scientists, fostering a community that prioritized responsible research and the well-being of all living organisms. In the end, Sam's story became a testament to the wonders of biology and the interconnectedness of life. His unwavering passion and dedication to understanding the biosphere left an indelible mark, inspiring future generations to explore the vast realms of science and contribute to the preservation of our planet. Let's understand some of the words having root bio. Please pay attention to prefixes and suffixes. Biology, meaning the study of living organisms and their life processes. Etymology, from the Greek words bios, life, and logos, study. Example: biology is the science that explores the characteristics and behavior of living organisms. Biodegradable, meaning capable of being broken down into simpler substances by natural processes. Etymology, from the prefix bio - life, and degradable, capable of being broken down. Example: compostable materials, such as food scraps and paper, are biodegradable and can return to the environment. Biochemistry, meaning the branch of science that deals with the chemical processes and substances occurring within living organisms. Etymology, from the prefix bio - life, and chemistry, the study of substances and their properties. Example: biochemistry investigates the chemical reactions and compounds involved in metabolism. Biotechnology, meaning the application of biological knowledge and techniques to create or modify products or processes. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and technology, the practical application of knowledge. Example: biotechnology plays a role in fields such as agriculture, medicine, and environmental conservation. Biopsy, meaning the removal and examination of a sample of tissue from a living organism to diagnose or study diseases. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and the Greek word opsia, a sight, view. Example: the doctor performed a biopsy to determine if the tumor was cancerous. Biohazard, meaning a biological substance or organism that poses a threat to human health or the environment. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and hazard, something that presents a danger. Example: when handling infectious materials, it is important to follow biohazard safety protocols. Biosphere, meaning the regions of the Earth inhabited by living organisms. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and the Greek word sphera, sphere. Example: the biosphere includes the Earth's land, water, and atmosphere, supporting a wide range of life. Bioluminescence, meaning the emission of light by living organisms. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and the Latin word lumen, light. Example: fireflies produce bioluminescence to attract mates or communicate with other fireflies. Biomedical, meaning relating to the application of biological and medical principles to healthcare and medical research. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and medical, related to medicine. Example: biomedical engineering combines biology and engineering to develop medical devices and technologies. Biofeedback, meaning the process of providing individuals with information about their physiological processes to help them gain voluntary control over these processes. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and feedback, providing information. Example: biofeedback techniques can assist in managing stress and improving physical and mental well-being. Biopsychotherapy, meaning a form of therapy that considers biological, psychological, and social factors in understanding and treating mental health issues. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, psycho-mind, and therapy, treatment. Example: biopsychotherapy combines various approaches, including medication, counseling, and lifestyle modifications. Biometric, meaning relating to the measurement and analysis of unique physical or behavioral characteristics for identification or authentication. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and metric, related to measurement. Example: biometric technologies, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, are used for secure identification systems. Bioinformatics, meaning the application of computer science and statistical techniques to manage and analyze biological data. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and informatics, information science. Example: bioinformatics plays a vital role in genomics research and understanding the human genome. Biodiversity, meaning the variety of different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms in a particular habitat or on Earth. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and diversity, variety. Example: rainforests are known for their high levels of biodiversity, housing numerous species. Bioethics, meaning the study of ethical issues related to life sciences, medical research, and healthcare. Etymology, from the prefix bio-life, and ethics, moral principles. Example: Bioethics examines the ethical implications of topics like genetic engineering and end-of-life decisions. Please subscribe and comment with other words having bio as root.